sad and famous na songs. We have a variety of designs and colors to choose from. Cycling socks or pwede rin yan mga pang formal na socks natin. Oo. May mga sizes yan. Small, medium, and large XL. This one is yung may paint cave na logo nila. This comes in black and white. Tapos nagdi-differ lang siya dito sa stitching, sa colors. White socks. Pwede ito pang school na rin or sa office. Ito yung mga white socks niya. Designs, you can check it out sa website natin. And then the sizes are over there also. Fabric niya, maganda yung fabric. Kahit ilang washes siya, hindi nawawala yung form niya. So, ito. This one, we have the neon one. Neon yellow. Parang meron siyang other color. Yeah. Neon yellow and then black with neon yellow naman din na print. So, camo edition, meron din siya. Mga neutral color natin. We have neutral color. And then this one, meron din siyang isa dito, red. This one is so nice. For bike or pwede din pang forma. This would do well pag naka dark denim. Naka dark denim ka. Tapos ito yung socks. Would look nice. So for designs, other designs, and up close makita nyo, you can check out our website, bmxcyclecenter.com, or you can just DM us, tapos send namin yung pictures sa inyo. Okay, thank you!